Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos from tortillas. First, take your corn tortillas and cut each one into about 6 to 8 wedges. This size is perfect for individual nacho bites. Next, spread these wedges out in a single layer on a baking sheet. Make sure they aren't overlapping too much. Finally, lightly brush both sides of each tortilla piece with a little olive oil. This helps them get nice and crispy. Now it's time to bake those tortilla wedges into perfect chips. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the baking sheet with the oiled tortillas into the oven. Let them bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. Remember to flip them over halfway through the baking time. You want them to be golden brown and wonderfully crispy, not burnt, so keep a close eye on them. With your homemade chips ready, let's build those delicious nachos. Carefully arrange the crispy tortilla chips onto an oven-safe platter or another baking sheet. Try to spread them out so every chip gets some love. Next, generously sprinkle your favorite shredded cheese evenly over all the chips. Feel free to add other cooked toppings like seasoned ground beef, black beans, or sliced jalapenos now. Almost ready to enjoy. Pop your assembled nachos back into the oven, preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let them bake for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. All your toppings should be warmed through. Once out of the oven, garnish with your favorite fresh toppings like salsa, a dollop of sour cream, or creamy guacamole. Enjoy your easy homemade nachos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.